Hello, I will show you how the new VRM support works in desktop pets. You will find the VRM characters in the application for the custom characters. Right now, I don't have the VRMs loaded, so they are not here. In order to import the VRMs, you go to the character creator. Here, the first thing you have to do is press on import VRM and navigate to the location of the VRM file you want to load. First, I'm going to import BOA as a single VRM file. Here, double click, and I will have to type the name. This is so that you can import multiple versions of the same VRM files and name them differently, right? So here's BOA, and she's fully loaded into the game. I can spawn her and everything. I'm also going to load the other character that I've made, which comes as a zip file, and I'm going to explain to you why that is. So I'm just going to open this zip file here. And that's it. I'm going to go back. And here's how you spawn them. In the custom characters app, there you're going to see them, and you can spawn them as regular characters. So keep in mind that this BOA is not well configured. She's too jiggly. That's wrong. But the other one, the salary woman, is just better set up. So, okay, why a zip file? Because I will include an optional JSON file, which is just a text file with some metadata here. These are the contents of that JSON file. For now, I'm using that to store the information about her clothing items, because as most of you know, here in Desktop Pets, I let you toggle the clothing items of the characters as a way to customize them. So if I go into Manage Characters and enter to the Miku screen, then I can see her different clothing items, which I can turn off and on. And for the VRM characters, you can also do that as long as I include a proper JSON file for them. So if I go here, attire, then you see the name of her outfit, and then each part of the outfit. Now, this JSON file is something that you can create in the future with the tools that I'm going to give you. When you create a VRM, why are you walking against the screen? When you create a VRM, you have to use Unity for that. That's the intended way. But I'm going to give you a few tools. Here's one of them, which lets you define the pieces of clothing that make up her outfits, the outfits of your character. Then you can define some values here, and you generate that JSON file with this. So you export your VRM and the JSON file, put them in a zip, and then that's 100% compatible with Desktop Pets. But you can also, as in the case with BOA, you can also just skip that JSON part and just use the VRM, and it works. It's just that you won't have like clothing, any toggleable clothing. And I'm probably also going to do more that JSON file in the future. But yeah, it's really simple. And I think I'm going to start to make more VRM characters in the future. So instead of giving you a different build of Desktop Pets, you can just import the VRM without having to download the whole game again. And another cool thing about the VRMs is that you can load them into other kinds of things, like VTubing applications. So I think it's this is a big improvement for the game, right? You can also download other VRMs not made by me and load them in the game. So I have other VRMs not made by me here. VRM test. I thought I fixed this bug, or the characters start walking against the screen. I really have to fix it. I'm going to change the pathfinding AI that I have. Like, I already have a better one. I'm going to change that. But for now, well, they sometimes are going to walk in strange ways. So this is a VRM character not made by me, and I have a couple more, Mita, and where's the other one? Oh, maybe something happened with this Mita. What? Where's the other one? There was a Teto. Where's Teto? Oh, I don't think I have her here. Whatever. So yeah, VRMs now work perfectly fine without any kind of setup. Oh, there she is. And yeah, so that's it for now. This is the big thing that people have been asking, and it's finally done. And I think I can start working on more fun things.